Hi everyone, here we've got EMPORIA Smart 3 Mini, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So firstly we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. On the third position we've got date and time, so let's enter, and as you can see here we've got some options which we can customize. Firstly, we can decide if we want to use automatic date and time just like here, and they will be network provided. We can use also GPS provided time or turn it off in order to set the date and time manually. So let me pick the off option, and the date and time options are active, so we can freely change them. What's more, the same situation with the time zone. We can use network provided time, but if you'd like to set it manually, just tap on the switcher right here, and the time zone also changes. So let me tap on set date, and as you can see from this calendar we can choose the date we want to use. So let me pick, for example, this one. Just tap on OK, confirm it, and tap on set time, and from the clock choose the time you'd like to use. Tap on OK, and as you can see it immediately changes on the status bar. The same situation with the time zone. Just tap on it, choose the time zone, and here we've got the full list of the time zone for United States. And if you'd like to choose totally another, just enter the region, and here you have to find the region you'd like to use. So let me pick, for example, maybe Greece. Just tap on it, and as you can see we've got only one time zone available. What's more, be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here we've got also some clock format options, so we can use a 24-hour format just like here, or we can use 12-hour format just by tapping, just by turning off actually this option, and as you can see it also immediately changes. So actually that's all. This is how to change date and time in your device, and if you'd like to get back to all previous settings, all you have to do is simply tap on this switcher, to activate automatic time zone, and tap here in order to use network provided time. So actually that's all. This is how to change date and time in your EMPORIA Smart 3 Mini. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.